everyone, it's Emily from Pittsburgh Festival Opera, and today we're going to play a game that uses your 5 senses. So what I want you to gather is a pencil, 5 pieces of paper, your favorite song, your imagination, and your 5 senses. Once you have all of these items gathered, I want you to lay out the pencil and paper on the table or the floor in front of you. We are going to listen to your favorite song 5 times. And after each listen, I want you to draw a picture or write a poem based on some of the questions I asked you before you listen to the song. You can draw the picture while you listen to the song or after you listen to the song, whatever works best for you. Okay, so for the first listen of the song, I want you to ask yourself the following questions. What's going on in this song? If this song were a movie, what would it look like? You can pause the video here to listen to the song for the first time. All right, now for the second listen. What does this song sound like? Is it fast or slow, sad or happy, loud or quiet? You can pause the video here and listen to the song for the second time. Great. So now you should have 2 drawings or poems, and we're going to go on to our third listen. For the third listen, I want you to ask yourself the questions. Is there anything mentioned in this song that you can imagine the smell of? Fresh snow, chocolate cake, a rainy day? You can pause the video here to listen for the third time. All right, for your fourth listen, I want you to think about if there's anything in the song that is mentioned that you can imagine the way it feels. A pair of jeans, a warm hug, the rain, the grass beneath your feet. You can pause the video here to listen for the 4th time. All right, finally, for the last listen, listen number 5, I want you to think, is there anything in this song that I can imagine the taste of? You can pause the video here to listen for the 5th time. Wonderful! So now you should have 5 drawings or 5 poems or any combination of the 2 that you can go and share with a family member or friend and tell them how you did this activity and then maybe do this activity with them.